Hello, this is Vivian Watts. I am going to show you how to make a box card using Diamond Press Double K-Cup carrier set. So with this set, all you need to use are these 3 cutting dies. You're going to make 1 back panel and 2 pieces of the side panels and also 1 front panel. Now in addition, you want to make 2 panels that goes inside of your box card so you can make layers of embellishment. Both of these panels are 4 3/4 in length, and I made one 2 inches wide and the other one 1 3/4. Now I am trying to folding the panels that we're going to be gluing to the back panel. So this is the first piece of the side panel, and I like to use liquid glue because it does give me some time if I need to make adjustment to make sure everything is lining up correctly. But you can use whatever adhesive you choose to use. So we're going to go ahead and glue both side panels to the back panel. Now making sure everything is lined up correctly. Now I'm going to start working with one of the inside panels. I will go with the widest one first. I'm going to score 1/4 inch from both ends. The 2 side panels will be where I'm going to put the glue to attach to my side panels. Okay, so I am going to fold them in, make sure they're easy to manipulate with later when I'm trying to attach the glue. First one down, now making sure the other panel is also working correctly. Okay, all right, now let's try to assemble this. So it will look like this frame for a box card. So I am going to work with the widest panel first, because it goes to closer to the back panel. What I'm doing here is trying to line everything up to the edge. However, you do have a choice of moving that a little toward the back, closer to the back, if you want more room in the front. Okay, so once that panel is adhered to the back, to the side, I should say, we're going to work with the other panel. So we are attaching that to the side panel. So in a few seconds you will see it's starting to take shape. So now that we have the inside panels glued down, we're going to work with the front panel. So using the tab of the side panel, we will apply glue and adhere to the front panel. Now you will notice at the bottom of the front panel, there is a tab. So once you glue both sides later, you can fold in and glue the bottom tab to the side panels. That way it will be stronger and more sturdier. Okay, as you can see, we have done one side, and all you need to do is to finish the other side. So your box frame will look like this, ready for you to put embellish on, blend, put colors, and have fun creating your project. I hope you like it.